So let's see the API. It's called the Flight Stats API. So you go to the developer center. You might have signed in. If you have not, you will need to register. And you need to fill up all your details right here. And it might take a day to get the approval, but once you get the approval, it will look something like this. The status is live. Before it would be pending, but we got the message in a day that it is live. So you should expect it within a day, and then you can just get started. So let us see which product we'll be using. Flight tracker. Let's see this if we can find it. Alright, so we did find something. I don't know if it's useful. Okay, so let's see this flight track and status, or status and track, and API documentation. Great. Here we will need to know just a few things. It is just the status. That's it. Here is the API link which they have already provided you, and these are the responses in REST and SOAP. You can even check it based on flight ID. Flight ID is something which is their specific. So it's not anything related to airline, but it is related to Cirium. So these guys had decided to number every flight, and based on that, you can get a pinpoint flight information. So that's what flight ID is. But we can use the departing date. So we will be using the departing date, and you need to use the exact URL if you want the correct information. So we will fill in the API and everything, and I'm not sure if you can use this app key, but yeah, I'll just hide it. Okay, so based on this, you can look for some demo responses. And this is not a demo, but this would be real responses. But yes, they allow you to get the information right here. So this is how you will be using API. I assume that you might know how to use API. If not, we will show you definitely. So and then I just to let you know, I already created the create React app. I already ran the command. So let's see, flight stats, yarn start. So you might see something new because the regular display of create React app is changed to something different. I just realized that like 2 days ago. So let's complete this. Come on. Right, it's taking a while. Okay, finally we have something. So okay, so create React app is ready. In the next video I will show you, like we will create some basic UI and we'll get started. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.